Hi, in this video for the Ferguson Ariva 252 we're going to show you how you can schedule a future recording. So to do this all you have to do is simply press the guide button, that's just above the arrows on the right hand side of the remote control. And this will bring you into the EPG basically, but what you want in here is to press the green button for timer. So in here you can set a timer to schedule a future recording. So the important thing to note is the Ferguson Ariva 252 combo receiver is a free to air box. Now what that means is on the satellite end of things you'll only have a now and next EPG. On the SareView end of things you'll have a 7-day EPG, but on the satellite it's just now and next, so that's very important to note. So what would happen if you wanted to record something that was more than two programs ahead during the day? Well, you couldn't do it unless basically you had this timer service. So what you can do here is you can set the box to do particular jobs. So what I'm going to say here is when I'm in here it's timer mode once, but you could also select daily, weekly or off, but you don't really want to select off. So I'm just going to say once. So the timer service is channel, record or turn off. Channel basically means switch to that channel or remind me that there's something on that channel at the time that you're specifying. But the one we want is record. So we want to wake up the channel, so we're just going to pick, for argument's sake, BBC One Northern Ireland HD. So you can set the date to whichever you want. You can set the offset, which is very, very handy. Sometimes programs start a little bit earlier, end a little bit late, so you can set an offset of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want. I'm just going to say 1 minute, but it's up to yourself. So the on time is one the important thing. So I'm going to say 1800 because I want to tape the news at 6. And I'm going to arrow down here and I'm going to say the duration is 30 minutes. So that's basically it. So I've set it basically at 6 o'clock today, starting a minute early. Start recording the BBC News at 6 basically on BBC One, and just record it for half an hour. And then I'm going to arrow down, I'm going to save. And that's basically it. So that's very handy like that. So just to get out of that then, all you have to do is basically just hit the back button, then you're back to live TV. So that's just how to schedule a future recording on the Ferguson Ariva 252 combo receiver.